Welcome, today we're going to show you how to edit a photo in Snapseed app. So the first thing that you need to actually do is to open Snapseed app, I'll see from here. And after that you need to click anywhere, I'll see from here, it tells you that you can tap anywhere to open a photo. So from here you can just add any photo from your gallery. So the photo that you want to edit will appear right here. So there's a lot of filters that you can add. There's the smooth filter, pop filter. So after you choose your filter, you can just hit on yes. And now you can click on tools. From the tools section, there's a lot of things that you can do to edit your photo. Depends on what you want to edit on your photo. You can choose whatever option from here. You can just crop it. So after you finish editing your photo, you can just click on export on the down right corner. After that you can just share the photo, save it or export it, or you can click on export as to export the photo to a specific folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.